Martha and Mary to profess their faith in Him as the resurrection and the life, we are all asked in the midst of death, stands here today as a Savior who was willing to give up His own life for the life of us all. He is our God, who is compassionate, who is loving, and who is caring. And we ask the Lord today to show Himself
Agumay